Layoffs, stress, and vibe coding? Is this all just nonsense? How can we talk about mass layoffs, burnout, and high pressure work environments, and in the same breath celebrate something called vibe coding? Does that even make sense? Let's ground this in data. Saranyan Vigraham, director of engineering at Meta, ran an internal experiment across 10 real projects, dialing AI involvement from 10% to 80%. He tracked two things: how many bugs were introduced, and how much time engineers spent fixing the AI's output. At 10% AI, teams saw about 8 bugs, with 5% of dev time spent on fixes. At 50% AI, bugs dropped to 4, the cleanest result, but developers spent 15% of their time reviewing and correcting AI code. At 80%, bugs spiked to 10, and nearly half the dev time, 45%, was spent on cleanup. So yes, 50-50 is the ideal point in terms of code quality. But I wouldn't call that vibe coding. Not all AI-assisted coding is vibe, because at 50-50, you're involved in every detail. You're reviewing, debugging, guiding, correcting, deeply engaged at every step. That's not chill, that's maximum intensity. Call it deep work. Maybe even deeper than in the pre-AI era. If anything, true vibe coding, the AI-dominant, automated, let-it-run workflow, probably lives somewhere closer to 80 to 100% AI, but the data shows that's exactly where things fall apart. Bugs pile up, code bases collapse. At 50-50, this is a new level of productivity. Not just at the team level, but for individuals too. Sure, you can ignore the engineers who are working harder than ever and keep chasing your vibe. But let's be honest, the competition in big tech is already operating at the next level, and Saranyan just proved it. So, what is vibe coding really? It's clearly something accessible to those without coding skills now. But does that mean skilled engineers should join in, or should they use AI differently? Showing how 50-50 collaboration can be far more powerful. What do you think?